So, welcome back to Forex Pros. Today, we will see what kind of trading opportunities do we have on gold and how can we profit from them. So, first of all, starting from the monthly time frame, the situation is getting much more interesting because you can see that the market made a rejection from the very interesting and very strong point from the because we can see the price action at this point was huge. Again, the reaction was huge, and again, we can see the reaction is huge. So on the monthly time frame, what do we expect right now? So first of all, we have two scenarios, and if we consider the first one, we will take the Fibonacci from the top to the bottom, and what we can see, we can expect the market to make a retracement at least to the 0.382 level of the Fibonacci, which is in alignment of the head and shoulder pattern, which I think it is about to form. So first of all, we can see that the market made this shoulder, this head, and now it is going to make the next shoulder, and we can expect the market to go up to 1827. And like I told you, if you're new to support or resistances, what you can do, you can easily go to the line chart, bar chart, and uh, plot the support and resistance. This is the strategy for beginners, and we can see that the expected zone is the 1832, from which we can expect the market to again fall to the downside. But this is just the basic concept, basic perception on the monthly time frame. Moving down on the weekly time frame, what kind of situation do we have? As we discussed earlier, that this is an M pattern, and after the formation of M pattern, what do we expect? We expect the market to make a retracement to the bottom neckline. But interesting fact, the fact that is that should be taken into consideration when the market makes an M pattern. We expect the bottom neckline to retracement to the bottom neckline. But when the market makes a M pattern like this one with an overextended arm, then we expect the retracement to only this to the first arm of the M. But this is not something that we can rely on. So we will be measuring this zone, and we will see that probably that the market will might start coming down. Moving down to the daily time frame, in the long term, I'm not sure that the market might come down or not, depending on the weekly monthly scenario. But on the daily time frame, what we can see is that market is basically moving in impulses, and you can see that the market is a uh, has a bullish momentum currently at the moment. And another thing which we can see is that this was a resistance which is now broken, and the market made a retest, and after the retest the market is now going towards the upward direction. But we can expect a retracement to the 1794 level before it continues towards the upside. Now, if we want to take the entry, before I tell you how will we be taking our entry, we will also be posting the signals on our Telegram channel. So if you have not joined our Telegram channel, the link is in the description. And if you want us to manage your account, if you're interested in account management, also tell us. We do provide that service as well. So, on the 4 hour time frame, the situation is much more interesting. Why? Because, first of all, as we can see, that if I think that would be perfect. I'm not considering the details. So on the 4 hour time frame, as we can see that the market was consolidating. When the market is consolidating, it means that the buyers and sellers are fighting that who will win. Either the market will start going towards the buy or the sell. So first of all, there are two scenarios. When the market is consolidating, 70% of the time, it's not 100%. The what does gold do? Like if the gold is planning to go towards the downside, it will make a false breakout towards the upward direction. Similarly, if the market is planning to go towards the upside, then we are expecting that 70% times the market makes a false breakout towards the downside. So right now, as we can see that the market has moved out of this consolidation zone, and we will be monitoring, we will see the price action of the market exactly at this point. And if we see that the market again enters this zone, which means that we need a successful 4 hour closing candle below this structure support, which is the 1798 level. I think the 4 hours should close around 1796, 95, or 94. And after the next candle, on the next candle, we will have a clear picture either the market is going to go up or down. Similarly, but on the basis of weekly, monthly, and daily time frames, what we're expecting that the market will come down to 1797, 96, and from that point, it will start going towards the upward direction. This is just the analysis on the basis of 4 hour daily, monthly, and weekly time frame, which is known as multi time frame analysis. But uh, what will be our trade? Will we enter on the basis of this prediction? No, we will wait for the market to provide us